one of the things that comes to mind here with all of this AI stuff, right, is like the reliability of the AI itself. How are you guys approaching that? Like I saw, like we showed you the transaction before it did it, didn't just like execute on its own. But what are other mechanisms you guys are thinking about to, protect against that?
Yeah. So just kind of like uh, per, when you go into an exchanges and you put in a sloppy number and then something pops up and says, "Hey, you idiot, why are you?" Or if something's over,
Right.
let's say $25 or something, we
Yeah.
can start putting safeguards into the system that basically says, "Are you sure this looks like a pretty intense thing you're trying to do?"
Yeah.
Also on the roadmap is starting to build the fraud protection mechanisms. And
Mm.
then when we start importing other AI agents, that's when we're really going to have to dig deep in making sure that it's not doing anything that you don't want. Like, let's do a swap, and then the reality is the transaction that gets built sends half of your funds to someone else. So if you go into Mintbase and you make a transaction, you can drill into all of what you're doing, right? We
Hmm.
show what functions you're calling on what contract, how much of each different piece you're doing. We also built an AI agent that explains with human readable text what the transaction is that you're trying to do.
Hmm.
So it's weird to say that AI fixes everything, but it kind of is. And we
It
know
fixes a lot.
things
Yeah.
could get tricky if we get too far ahead of ourselves.